Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. In the township where I live, the parking meters have a button on them that says press for free time, and here's what that looks like. And if you press that button, the meter starts counting down from 10 minutes. And you see people rushing around trying to accomplish all the things they can do in the 10-minute time period. It is an example of how time limiting creates urgency, and urgency creates focus. And I started to think, what if instead of expending all this energy and using all this energy to get things done in 10 minutes, what if we use that to restore energy and recover energy for ourselves, for our own use? And a number of things came to mind that can be done in 10 minutes to accomplish that. Taking a walk, listening to music that you like, doing yoga, or meditating, or calling somebody that you care about and talking with them. And I've implemented this in my own work life by taking 3 10-minute breaks every day, usually 1 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. Most of the time I just leave the office and take a walk, but there are times when I do other things to restore energy in that time. What I found is that when I come back to the office, I have more energy, I have more focus, and I'm able to move on to the next task without having what I call the bleed over from the last thing that I was working on, because that can interfere with you shifting gears and moving to something new. So I highly recommend you having a press for free time button in your own life that you use to create these blocks of time where, instead of expending energy and using the energy that you have to doing things that you can restore and recover energy to use any way that you want. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.